What's up guys? The new iPhone coming later this year. The iPhone 12 won't be shipping with headphones and a charger, but it will have a cable though. But hearing other people talking about this topic, they're missing one very crucial part. The charger is not going away only on the iPhone 12, but even on the iPhone SE. So by the end of the year, every iPhone sold will not have a charger or headphones in the box. So I've been watching many videos about this and I heard very good reasons, but I think one is missing. Alright, let me explain. So let's start with the ones that I heard all over the place and that I agree with. Firstly, Apple wants to save money. This is probably the main reason, and on top of that, you probably already have a few laying around anyway. So yes, they will save costs, but not giving headphones or the charger, but many of us have them anyway, even though I will still be disappointed. But this is one of the main reasons. The second reason is it's better for the environment, which yes, in fact it is. Apple has made it clear with many of the components they use and many things they do that being environmentally friendly is something they want to do. But at the end, I think the first reason is one of the most important ones when looking at short term. You have to keep in mind that the costs of the iPhone components and the iPhone itself has been going up year after year. But with the new 120Hz display, the better housing, the cameras, and the 5G module, the price has to go up. So they're going to save money and be better for the environment, which is all good. So looking at short term, yes, they are going to make people upset. But if you look back, every time Apple makes a decision, it was never short term. Remember when they removed the headphone jack? The amount of people who were upset, but now their phone is more waterproof. Well, that's just one of the benefits. Yeah, we got used to it, and I actually enjoy using Bluetooth headphones much more than wired ones, even though I had wired ones and I was very upset when they decided to remove the headphone jack. But the decision to remove these items from the box is more long-term than short-term. If you follow the rumors about next year's iPhone, so the iPhone in 21 or the iPhone 13, you will see they are doing some incredible things. So back to the headphone jack. When it was removed in 2016 on the iPhone 7, they gave you lightning headphones and a dongle for those who didn't want to use the headphones in the box. So for those that still wanted to use their wired headphones, they could. But then they came up with their own version of earphones, the AirPods. They're essentially shaped the same way as the headphones or like the earphones you'd have in the box, but they were wireless and worked with Bluetooth but cost you an extra $150. So at the end of the day, it's more expensive for you, but you get more, I would say. And you go to 2018 and they decided to remove the dongles from the box. Alright, so where am I going with all of this? In 2020, Apple is going to remove the charger and the earphones from the box, so there must be something coming in the near future, right? Yes, there are a lot of rumors about a fully portless iPhone in 2021. So they are essentially getting all of us ready for a no wire and no port and no cable iPhones. Well, portless iPhones sound amazing, right? Well, there's just one little catch. How on earth are you going to charge it when you're out or anything? How are you going to charge it? This is where a product that we thought was dead last year. Yes, we were talking about AirPower. And at the time, it made sense to kill it because they weren't able to make a charger charge 3 devices at the same time, especially when placing them wherever on the mat. But just recently, it said that they put this product back in development. And moreover, it is said that they are working on 2 different models. Yes, one being a small one and the other one being able to charge the multiple devices. Now, we don't know if it's going to be as promised to charge all 3 devices, but this is what they have in works for now. So now, does this make sense? Does it make sense for them to remove these items from the box? Yeah, it makes perfect sense. Wireless charging, wireless devices, and all of that is growing rapidly. So I think Apple has decided to take that big leap forward. Now, looking back at Apple's history, they always make you ready and get you ready for another big leap forward. And at the end of the day, you'll probably enjoy it even more. Except I don't know how much you're gonna enjoy it if the iPhones go portless. Well, what do you think? Do you think this is a leap forward to portless iPhones? Do you think it's a good idea? Are we ready for it? Let me know in the comments down below. If you enjoyed this video, then please leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell to stay notified when I release my next video. Also, if you missed my previous video, then you know what to do. Please click the card shown up here. Okay, take care, and I'll see you in my next video.